Have you ever turned your key and the engine would not crank, or maybe your backup lights stopped working? You might be looking at a P2800 trouble code. This code indicates a transmission range sensor B circuit malfunction. In simple terms, your car does not know what gear it is in. The transmission range sensor, often called the neutral safety switch, tells the computer if you are in park, reverse, neutral, or drive. If this sensor fails or sends a confusing signal, the computer might think the car is in gear when it is actually in park, which prevents the starter from engaging for safety reasons. You might also notice the transmission shifting erratically, the instrument cluster showing the wrong gear, or the engine entering limp mode. The causes for this are often environmental. On many vehicles, this sensor is mounted externally on the transmission, exposing it to water, road salt, and dirt, which leads to corrosion. Other causes include loose mounting bolts, damaged wiring, or a misadjusted shift linkage. To diagnose this, start by checking your backup lights. If they do not come on in reverse, that is a strong clue. Try wiggling the shifter while holding the key in the start position. If it starts, the sensor is likely just loose or misaligned. For a visual inspection, locate the sensor on the transmission housing. Unplug the connector and look for green or white corrosion on the pins. If the connector looks bad, you might need to replace the pigtail. If the wiring is good, check the adjustment. On some vehicles, like Toyotas, you align the sensor using a specific hole and a drill bit before tightening it down. If your sensor is located inside the transmission valve body, the repair is much more complex and involves draining the fluid and removing the pan. In that case, unless you are experienced with transmission internals, it is best to see a specialist. For external sensors, it is a straightforward swap. Just make sure the transmission is in neutral, align the new sensor correctly, and tighten it down. Taking care of this quickly ensures your car starts reliably and shifts safely every time.